Hello everyone, welcome to VLSI Gold Chips. Let's continue Verilog Interview Questions. What exactly expression reg 8 star 13:1 string val signifies? So here we are trying to declare the string underscore val as a reg data type which can hold 13 characters. So each character is of 8 bits. So here the string underscore val can hold up to 13 characters. The next question is, when output port is generated by a submodule, what will be the type of output? Register, wire. So here, by default, the output port will be of wire. So answer is B. Next question is, list the built-in primitives. In Verilog, we have built-in primitives for gates, transmission gates, and the switches. Gates like AND, or, NOR, NOR, NAND, NAND, XOR. Like that, we have built-in primitives in Verilog. Name the two possible ways by which we can instantiate the modules. We can instantiate by two ways. One is the port order connection and the other one is port name connection. So we can instantiate in two methods. Port order connection means the order in which the input ports and output ports have been used. The same order has to be maintained in case of port order connection. Whereas in case of port name connection, we need not have to maintain the order. So we can use the port label names and we can try to connect. The next question is, which assignment statement we usually use in data flow modeling? So we use a continuous assignment statement. That is, usually we use assign keyword for writing the assignment statement. What are rise delay and turn off delays? The rise delay is associated with a gate output transition to 1 from any other value like 0, x and z. Whereas in case of turn off delay, it is associated with the gate transition to z from value 0, 1 and hex. And the next question is, what is inter delay? Explain with an example. The delay where command waits for particular time steps before executing that particular command. That is inter delay. For example, #10 A is equal to B plus C is the assignment statement. So we have used the delay in the left hand side. Here, the values will be assigned to B and C. It will be calculated. Then it will be assigned to A after 10 time units. What is intra delay? Explain with an example. So here the evaluated expression will wait for specified time to assign value to the LHS. Here the values for B and C will be assigned. It will calculate. It will wait for 10 time units to assign to the left hand side A. What are the difference between inter and intra delays? Here are the differences. Inter delay, simply wait for appropriate number of time steps before executing the command. That is #10 q is equal to x plus y. Whereas intra delay, wait for appropriate number of time steps before assignment of RHS to LHS. Example, q is equal to #10 x plus y. So you can see the difference between the inter and intra delay. Here the value will be assigned to x and y. It will calculate, then it will be assigned to q after 10 time units. So here the value will be assigned to x and y. It will wait for 10 time units to happen, then it will assign to. And the next question is, which is the stable one in the following? #10 q is equal to x plus y, then q is equal to #10 x plus y. And the answer is B. So here the values will be assigned to x and y. It will have time to settle. It will calculate, then it will wait for 10 time minutes, and then it will be assigned to left hand side. So there is no proper data loss in case of q is equal to #10 x plus y. Thank you.